So this is in Stream Valley. I don't see any evidence of tornado. Obviously this looks like a gazebo and a playset got knocked over. This is on the west side of 65. There's a trampoline that got it, obviously, but I don't see, this looks like straight line winds to me, and I don't see any other damage around here associated with it, so I'd call this straight line wind, and we'll go ahead. So this is stop number 2, just before 65. I can't really tell what happened here. This looks, again, more like straight line. Those trees have bent the same way, and the tornadoes I've seen, they've kind of twisted. These look like they broke straight. And then there was another couple branches that were, looks like they've already been cleared away. But there's really, other than very, very small limbs and a basketball goal down over there, nothing else that I see over here. This is also in spot number 2. Obviously Bradford Pear, so make no conclusions. But one of the things I learned from Tom is exactly how it fell. These look like they just broke clean off rather than twisting off. So the direction I'm looking at here is, this is looking north, and it looks like it's just a clean break straight off. These trees are laying, looks like northeast is the direction I'm laying. This is point 3, that looks like straight line wind there, and that tree there as well. We're now inside the tornado warning polygon area. This is the only damage I can find. The only thing that makes me wonder about this is how that see how that tore off. The branch is pointing, that's pointing to the northeast. So that would be consistent with the straight line winds, but there's a little bit of a, I don't know if that twisting mechanism means anything. And then that blew across the street, apparently. That smells like pine right there. That's pretty fresh. And then we've got that there. So it looks like that branch came, and I'll bet that was probably cut right here. That's a pretty clean saw. So I'm betting this branch was lying across the road last night. That's what it was. And EM's cleared it. I mean, that looks like straight line to me, unless you think that twisting mechanism that we saw earlier is anything. And then we did not see anything going east of here, but it's really hard to find any kind of road network to get back where the gate to gate was. But this is probably where it wrapped up the most intense, and